know saying you see how to do graphic designing. I really didn't go to school, so maybe seeing how graphic design. Actually, I'm a BSc Business Administration student, but I have this love, the passion for graphic designing. So I started learning. So and then what has met you on my we had to do some thank you flyer for achieving like 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. And this one of the designs I'm Miami of my YouTube page. That was Richmond is online. Most of the time he posts about entertainment news and other things on that page, so you can check it out. So today this is what we're going to do. So it's very simple. I just did a little blending of the background before I came with the actual black background, and so I decided the text, just choosing the right font and using just about 2 fonts there. So I made the logo, which one is online, tour with some small shapes, some circles. That was it. So let's go to the main project. So this is the project. When you see the project here, everything I did, I've done everything here. You can see there, my background, my logo, my test, my shape 1 and the shapes 2. So we have background. So this was the background. This was the background. So that was it. This was the actual background. So I just have to do some gradient overlay, the gradient. So I did some gradient of which say I achieved that. In case me do now, but say this was it. Sinanity. Some big gradient in the account. Even a little something cooler. So I added some wallpaper, and also I came here to change it to the luminosity, and then man, the opacity in equal 4%, and I mean this nice background, and so now I'm adding my logo. I'm supposed to have bought the logo last, but it's all seen about it. But before I came there, I came with a test. I added the test. You can see the test. Here's the 2,000. We have the subscription. We have the logo of the YouTube logo, and the thank you. That was it. It's very simple. I just placed it there. Very, very simple. Before I came to here, I added my shapes. These are all normal shapes. They are all normal shapes. You can create it yourself, because you can come here, custom shapes, and you can choose this one. I use this one to create this. Here we now, and I'm the creative. Yeah. Now I use the circle to create those. I use the circle to create these, and that was it. Let me give me design. So that's a normal design for thank you flyer. Very simple and very nice. So that's how I want my things. Maybe maybe very simple and very nice. Please, if you have any comments about this graphic design, you can give me a little suggestion on the comment section, and I say yeah, tutorial about any other flyer. Wait, miss how the details no at all. Maybe that tutorial for you to like get updated. We have 3 edition of YouTube Photoshop tutorials. 3 edition. Stay blessed. My name is Richmond is online. With my friend Regan.